it's time for us to finish this very simple example to move to more advanced and exciting examples. So it is time for us to, once the user click on change title button, or once you click on the button right here, we are going to change the title, right? So here I have my button and here I have my title. The thing that I want to do, very simple, I will type title. Okay, now title, it's to present the whole H1, right? I do not want the whole H1. I want only the text inside it. So very simple, the H1, which is the title, dot text content. Okay, we are going to see and get the text content and assign it to a new value, for example, web design. Okay, so now it is Android development. Once we click on the button, it should say web design. So let's go ahead and test our application. I'm going to click on change title. Oops, nothing happened. Why our code is not working? It's actually working, but the problem right here is that we have our index.html file right here. We have our script right here. So there is no real relation between these two files. We want somehow to connect these two files so the HTML file know about its JavaScript file. And in order for us to do that, very simple, here before the end of your body tag, I want you to type script, and here we have two options. Click on script :source. Okay, and here we need to load the JavaScript file here inside our HTML file. To do so, I'm just gonna type script.js. all right, and this way we have connected these two files. Going back to our code, I'm gonna click on change title. Very simple. Now we have changed the title and our code work perfectly. Once again, I'm gonna click on change title. We have it right here. Now our code is working, very simple. Now as a task for you, what I want you to do, I want you to go ahead and once the user click on the, for example, let me add another button. Okay, here I'm gonna add another button for you. So button, and I'm just gonna type it, call it reset. Okay, give it a class of reset. Okay, once the user click on reset, okay, I want you to go ahead and reset the value to be Android development. All right, so pause the video and do it now. You will see my solution in the next video.